How to choose the exact color from any picture in 3ds Max. Firstly, go to the File menu at the top. Then, select View Image File. Browse for an image file, select the image you want to view and click Open. Now, open the Material Editor, press M on your keyboard or go to the Rendering menu and select Material Editor. Choose either the Compact Material Editor or the Slate Material Editor, depending on your preference. Select a material slot. In the Material Editor, click on an empty material slot to create or edit a new material. Then click on the Diffuse Color Swatch. A color picker dialog box will open. Now click the eyedropper tool in the color picker dialog box. Move the eyedropper to the screen area containing the desired color, then assign the material to your object. You will get the same color. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow my channel for more tips and tricks on 3ds Max.